The petitioner Adnan Qureshi, through the present civil revision, impugned the order passed by the learned senior civil judge Islamabad dated 23/9/2011 and concurrently order dated March 1, 2012 passed by learned additional district judge Islamabad, whereby an application for grant of temporary injunction under order Rules 1 and 2 CPC was dismissed. That as per facts narrated in the petition, it is stated that petitioner, after joining service of the respondent on 24/12/2009 as permanent workman by the operation of law, his case covers under the provisions of Section 2G of Islamabad Rent Restriction Ordinance and Industrial and Commercial Employment. Standing order therefore does not require any formal order of regularization. It is further stated that petitioner is entitled to get benefit of rule of accommodation allocation rules. Those are though as he being successor in interest after retirement of his father for allotment of the same as per rule referred above. The petitioner on refusal of such request by the respondent preferred suit before the learned senior civil judge Islamabad, coupled therewith prayer of temporary injunction on dismissal of the said application, moved for temporary injunction under order rules 1 and 2 CPC. The petitioner civil appeal number, which 2 was dismissed with same observation. Therefore, the preferred instant civil revision assailing both the orders passed by the courts below. Learned counsel for the petitioner argued that flat number 62/5-B sector Islamabad in question was allotted to father of the petitioner, white allotment number dated 22/9/2006, and he is residing in the same quarter, Bleak Flat, with his father. The petitioner was inducted in service on 24/12/2009 against an existence vacancy of regular post prior to the retirement of his father on 1/4/2010. He argued that under accommodation allocation rules, those are the rule entitled the petitioner to retain possession after retirement of his father, also entitle him for allotment. He also emphasized that the petitioner was earlier on work charge against a regular post and subsequently regularized white order dated 25/1/2012 with effect from 23/1/2012. He argued that while Industrial and Commercial Employment Standing Order Ordinance 6 of 1968 in a schedule respecting Section 2 provides classification of workmen, whereby while considering Rule 15 of the schedule he is deemed to be a permanent worker, and since he was posted against an existing vacancy of a regular post, therefore there was no need to issue regularization order, and by virtue of said proposition is introduced by the standing order in the schedule, he is deemed to be a permanent workman. Therefore, he argued that not only the trial court has misconceived the law as well as facts on record, thereby dismissing the injunction application and appeal preferred by the petitioner. Full stop.